Did you know that 75% of the Earth's surface is made up of water, and so are our bodies? Water is so crucial to our health, but only 2% of the Earth's water supply is actually drinkable. I didn't know that. That means we must rely on tap-filtered or bottled water to stay hydrated. And if we don't, our health expert, Dr. David Friedman, says you could be making a dangerous medical mistake. Good morning, doctor.
Great to be here.
That's pretty amazing to see those words. Dangerous medical mistake. Why?
Big mistake, because research shows that by simply not drinking enough water throughout the day, here's what happens. We're prone to many diseases and health disorders, and our body will not function properly. Yet 7 out of 10 Americans do not drink enough water. That's 70% of us. That's a lot.
That's a lot. 7 out of 10. That's a pretty high number.
High number.
So how do we actually know if we're dehydrated?
Well, simple. If you're thirsty and your mouth is dry, your cells are already dehydrated. It's too late.
Now, you mentioned diseases that can actually, be attributed to the lack of water in our bodies. Can you name just a few for me?
Chronic fatigue, depression, eczema, rheumatism, gastric disorders, high and low blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and even urinary tract infections are all more prevalent when the body is dehydrated. In fact, studies show that by simply drinking 5 glasses of water a day, you can decrease the risk of colon cancer by 45%.
45?
45%. And an interesting study out there on heart disease and strokes, I'll share with you, it was conducted by Loma Linda University. Here's what they found. Individuals who drank a minimum of 5 glasses of water per day had half the risk of heart attacks and strokes than those who drank only 2 glasses a day.
Wow, that's amazing. And it's easy as just drinking the water. Now, how does it actually, lower the risk of heart attack and stroke?
Well, research shows water decreases the viscosity, and what that means is the stickiness that's in our blood, which improves overall blood flow throughout the body when we drink water. Question for you. Did you know 85% of all Americans suffer from back and joint pains?
Wow, that's a lot. I didn't know it was that high.
It's a lot.
I'll be honest, I drink about 100 ounces a day. I mean, I'm a water girl. My husband drinks nothing, and I'm sure you get a lot of that with your patients.
Well, I do, but they don't do the 100 ounces. Actually, you're the poster child of water.
They do
because
what my husband does.
Exactly. That's the norm. I've been in practice actually now 21 years, and if you ask any of my patients, I always tell them one thing in the beginning. I look them and I say, drink more water. And I'll tell you why. Water prevents and can actually help existing back and joint pain. 85% of cartilage out there and the synovial fluid that's in our body lubricating our joints made out of water. If we allow ourselves to dehydrate, this can lead to spinal degeneration, and let me tell you, that is one of the most painful disabilities in America today.
So I bet you our bodies would actually function better if we combined water and exercise?
Great combination, but I'll tell you something else. Another little-known secret is drinking water alone can actually help you lose those extra pounds. And I'll tell you why. Water is nature's best diuretic. Nothing helps you lose excess fluid like drinking a lot of water. Also, sometimes the body mistakes thirst mechanism that we have for hunger. In fact, in a University of Washington study, here's what they found. Just 1 glass of water shut down midnight hunger pangs for almost 100% of the dieters studied. So ladies out there, if you want to stop being so hungry all the time, drink more water.
How much water should somebody drink daily?
Well, the rule of thumb is that I recommend half your body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 150 pounds, try to drink 75 ounces per day. So you do a little bit beyond that, but the average is cut your body weight in half, and that's what you drink.
Dr. Friedman, thank you. Great information, and I'm really going to start talking to my husband about drinking up.
Get them on water.
All right, thank you, doctor. And if you want to learn more about some additional health and beauty benefits of water, just log on to our website at thebalancingact.com/askthedoctor.
Today's My Health segment brought to you by Choose for Health, the world's first superfruit seed vegetable antioxidant chewable dietary supplement.